Welcome to Now in Android, a practical guide to Android design principles. In this series, we'll delve into Android development best practices using Now in Android as our guide. In the previous video, we learned that each repository synchronizes and implements offline first by using a local data source as the single source of truth. In this video, we will learn how to ensure this synchronization is executed even when offline or when the app is in the background. This is achieved by scheduling processes with Work Manager. The unit of processing scheduled by Work Manager is called a worker. Now in Android, a sync manager, which is a worker for synchronization, is implemented and performs the synchronization for each repository. The Work Manager controls the timing of when this sync manager executes. Okay, let's take a look at the sync worker code. There are several types of workers, but in Android, it's implemented as a coroutine worker. A coroutine worker is a worker that can execute asynchronous processes using coroutines. Do work is where the actual processing happens, and it runs the synchronization of each repository in parallel. It also implements retries with exponential backoff using the retry function. Exponential backoff is a method of retrying while increasing the interval between attempts. Let's look at how the Worker Manager schedules the sync worker we just saw. Worker scheduling is done by queuing workers as shown in the code below. Here, a keep is specified to prevent double launching or double invocation. Furthermore, we configure the scheduling method when generating worker requests via the startup sync worker function. Okay, let's translate the Japanese text to English. Now, let's also look at the worker request settings. Now in Android, we're using the one-time work request builder to schedule it as an immediate one-time worker. Furthermore, we're using sync constraints to control it to wait until the network becomes available. With these Worker Manager controls, we can execute the synchronization regardless of the network or app's situation.